Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. There are several ways to activate your purchased Ashampoo software. This tutorial will show you how to activate your software without having to log into your Ashampoo customer account. Immediately after completion of your purchase, you'll receive an email from our payment provider Cleverbridge. Its subject line includes reference number and program name relating to your purchase. Please open the email now. Next, launch the associated application. If you haven't installed it yet, use the download link provided in the email to retrieve the software. The link appears under your product's manual activation. Once the setup has been downloaded, navigate to your download folder via Windows Explorer and double-click the file to run the installation. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions to complete the process. I've included the installation process in this video in condensed form. Once complete, launch the application. To activate the software, you'll require your license key, which is also listed in the aforementioned email. If you use copy and paste, please make sure not to copy trailing white spaces or additional characters. Once selected, the fastest way to copy the key is by pressing Ctrl+C. Then, switch back to the running application and click Enter key manually. Ideally, the key you've just copied will be filled in automatically, but you can always paste it into the text field manually. Click Activate Now to confirm the activation and remove any restrictions from the software. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and enjoy the program.